Hi, I'm Bar. I'm gonna be in Young Judea, Sprout, Brooklyn.
Hey, I'm Walid from Golan Heights, Bukata from Israel. It's a wonderful place.
I'm gonna lead Lego robotics and 3D modeling.
I will bring a lot of energy.
And in my workshop, we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna do a lot of 3D modeling and design. And in Lego robotics, you're gonna build an amazing stuff and learn how to program it.
It's going to be my first time at United States, and I'm very excited to see the camp and to see the campers.
I'm most excited about meeting all the craziest, funniest campers I can think of. I'm gonna bring with me a lot of Israeli spirit, a lot of joy, all the crazy hats you can think of. Let's go!